Climate change refers to significant and lasting changes in the Earth's climate and weather patterns over extended periods, typically decades to millions of years. The term is most commonly used to describe recent trends in global warming driven by human activities. Here's a breakdown of the key points. 1. Greenhouse gases. The Earth's climate is influenced by greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O. These gases trap heat from the sun in the Earth's atmosphere, creating a greenhouse effect that keeps the planet warm enough to support life. 2. Human influence. Since the Industrial Revolution, late 18th to early 19th centuries, human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, deforestation, and industrial processes, have significantly increased the concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This enhanced greenhouse effect is causing the Earth's average temperatures to rise. 3. Evidence of warming. Multiple lines of evidence show that the Earth is warming. Temperature records. Global surface temperatures have been rising, with recent years being some of the warmest on record. Melting ice glaciers and ice sheets in polar regions are melting, contributing to rising sea levels. Sea level rise. The expansion of seawater due to warming and the addition of water from melting ice are causing sea levels to rise. Extreme weather. An increase in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events such as hurricanes, heat waves, and heavy rainfall is linked to climate change. The impacts of climate change are widespread and affect various aspects of life. Ecosystems. Shifts in climate zones can disrupt ecosystems, affecting plant and animal species and leading to habitat loss. Sea levels. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities and infrastructure through increased flooding and erosion. Agriculture. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can impact crop yields and food security. Human health. Increased heat can lead to heat-related illnesses, while changes in climate can affect the spread of diseases. To address climate change, two main strategies are used: mitigation, efforts to reduce or prevent the emission of greenhouse gases. This includes transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and reforestation. Adaptation, adjusting practices and infrastructure to minimize the damage from the impacts of climate change. This can include building flood defenses, developing drought-resistant crops, and improving water management. International efforts to combat climate change include agreements like the Paris Agreement, where countries commit to limiting global temperature rise and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. These agreements aim to bring nations together to address the global challenge collectively. Understanding and addressing climate change is crucial for the health of our planet and future generations. It requires cooperation across countries, industries, and communities to make meaningful progress.